Okay, you just bought a new Seagate external hard drive for your Mac and you plugged it in and you're having one of two issues. The first issue is you're not seeing your hard drive appear on your desktop. The second issue you might be having, your hard drive appears, but you can't drag pictures onto it. You get a circle with a slash through it. Before doing anything, you need to go to Finder, and then you need to go to the top left corner and click Finder up here. And then you need to go to Settings. In this window, you want to go to General, and you want to make sure that external disks is checked, because if it's not, your hard drive will not show up on your desktop. Now, you also want to go to Sidebar, and you want to come down here and make sure external disks is checked also. This will show your hard drive in your sidebar. Do that first. Make sure these are checked. What I'm going to show you is going to fix both of those problems. It's very easy. What you need to do is go to Finder, and you're going to go to Applications. Then you're going to find Utilities, double click, and then you're going to find Disk Utility, double click that. Now it's going to bring up this window. On this sidebar here, you want to make sure you click Seagate Portable Media. Click on that. Now, all you need to do is come up here and click Erase. Again, this is a video for new hard drives. If you already have files on your hard drive, make sure you either have them backed up or you're okay with deleting everything on your hard drive, because this is going to totally restore and reformat the hard drive. Okay, with that being said, go to Erase. Click on Erase. Now, you can put in a name that you can also change later, but I'm going to call this New Name 1. And for format, you're going to click on Mac OS Extended Journaled, and you're going to click Erase. It's going to reformat your hard drive. Okay, erase process is complete. Click Done. So you click Done, close out of Disk Utility, close out of Utilities. Now, you now have your Seagate hard drive icon on your desktop with your name, New Name 1. So you double click on that, and now you can simply drag and drop files onto the hard drive. When you see the green plus sign, you're good to go. You can just drop. So before, you were either not seeing the icon for the hard drive on your desktop, or when you went to drag in a file, instead of this green plus sign, you were getting a circle with a slash through it, and it would not allow you to drop files onto the hard drive. If you do what I just showed you, this will fix both of those issues. Now that you're finished with that, you can rename this. I'll show you how. Click on the icon and press Enter on your keyboard, and you can type in a new name. This is New Name 2 now, okay? And then to eject, you can click on the icon and 2-finger press and click Eject here. Or you can double click on it and you can click on this arrow here, and it will eject your hard drive.